Okay, what's up, everybody? It's Letitia with Bear Fruit Gardening. I hope that you're doing well. I'm outside trying to fight off mosquitoes and harvest these russet potatoes. So let's just see what I got popping over here. I'm a little bit of a scaredy cat about picking these up because the other day there was a mouse over here. So you're going to have to bear with me. Y'all going to have to bear with me just a bit. So these russet potatoes I put in this bag on 723, I do believe. So I'm not even sure. This is my second round of potatoes, and they're right there, those two bags right there. So I'm gonna grab bag number one and see what we got going on. The first harvest was, I had potatoes. They were just really small. So let's see what's going on over here. Okay. These are just reusable grocery bags. Oh, the mosquitoes, y'all. Okay, so don't see any right this second. Oh, look at there. There's a few. So these are a little bit bigger than last time, but not much. They're pretty puny. But they did grow. So I can get them to grow. It's just about mastering, how do I fertilize potatoes? And I hear people all the time say don't fertilize them. So I don't fertilize. I didn't fertilize these at all. But there's one. Another one, just a little bitty thing. One more. So that looks to be about it. There's a lot of leaf mulch in here. And good soil that I can reuse. Very fluffy. Something ate. No, it's leaves. So something. But that's it. That's it. Okay. Let's get bag number two. Now this is a Calicum Smart Pot. And again, watering consistently means everything, right? And it's something that I really struggled with this year. And I just pulled the plant and that's what came out. Just pulled the plant, that's it. But I'm gonna dump the bag just to make sure. But it doesn't feel heavy at all. The soil is very dry. It's a weed. So yeah. Y'all. So this was a whim, right? This was not my first batch. But the soil is really dry. Uh-oh. There's one. In this pot. Yep, so I think that's it. Dry soil. Soil's very loose. It wasn't compacted. I mean, there's little clumps, but so I don't think the soil is the problem. Maybe some fertilization. Again, consistent watering, more time. is what I'm banking on this batch. But thank you all for watching.